Welcome to AI Bell Vega, your go-to channel for everything coding, tech, and creativity. Whether you're just starting your programming journey or you're looking to level up your skills, you're in the right place. Have you ever wanted to test your K-pop knowledge in a fun and interactive way? Well, I've got just the thing for you. Introducing the K-pop quiz game, a project I created using Python and PyQt5. This isn't just any quiz game, it's a trivia-packed challenge where you can put your love for groups like BTS, Blackpink, ATEEZ, and more to the test. Answer questions, beat the timer, and see how high you can score. As a passionate programmer, I love combining coding with creativity, and this project is all about merging tech with K-pop culture. From designing a sleek user interface with PyQt5 to building logic that tracks your score and updates in real time, this game is a labor of love for both tech and K-pop. On this channel, I'll walk you through how I developed this game, step by step. Whether you're curious about coding GUI applications or want to explore how JSON is used to store high scores, I've got you covered. Oh, and don't worry, I'll be sharing plenty of coding tips along the way to help you boost your skills. First, we import the necessary modules. We use sys for system operations, random for any random elements, JSON to load and save high scores, and PyQt5 for building the graphical interface. We start by creating the main class, PopApp, which inherits from QWidget. This makes it a window-based application. Inside the constructor, we initialize some essential variables, the score, current question index, timer, and the player's username. In the __init___ method, I also set up a few trivia questions in a list of dictionaries. Each dictionary contains a question, a list of answer options, and the correct answer. Next, I load the high scores from a JSON file if it exists. If the file doesn't exist, we initialize an empty list for storing high scores. In the init_Kpop method, we set up the graphical layout. We use QVBox layout to arrange the elements vertically and QHbox layout for the answer buttons, which will be arranged horizontally. Each question has a set of answer buttons, and clicking any button triggers the answer_correct method, which checks if the answer is correct. I also added a fun feature, a background GIF of K-pop stars using QMovie to keep the interface vibrant. As time is limited, we implement a countdown timer that updates every second using QTimer. When the timer reaches 0, the game ends. If the player answers all the questions, the game ends and shows the score. The score is then saved to a JSON file to keep track of the high scores. So that's the overview. This app provides a fun way to challenge your K-pop knowledge while engaging with the PyQt5 framework. When you're building a GUI with PyQt5, always think about layout management. Use layout managers like QVBox layout and QHbox layout to organize your widgets automatically. These layouts save you a ton of time and make your interface responsive to different screen sizes. For instance, in this project, we used QVBox layout to stack elements vertically and QHbox layout to arrange the buttons horizontally, so they're neatly aligned and easy to manage. Another important tip is to make sure to connect the right signals to the appropriate slots. For example, here we connect the button's clicked signal to the answer_correct method, which handles the logic of checking if the answer is correct. This keeps your code clean and your events organized. Finally, don't forget to set up your app's exit behavior properly with sys.exit appexec_ at the end of your main function. This ensures that your PyQt5 app closes correctly when the user exits.
Don't need to go nowhere else.
So that's the overview. This app provides a fun way to challenge your K-pop knowledge while engaging with the PyQt5 framework. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want to see more coding tutorials and projects like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. I want to hear from you. What's your favorite K-pop group? Share it in the comments below, and let's geek out about all things K-pop and coding together.